Hello students, welcome once again in our new video, section 4, 4.1, History of Novel. In this video, we are going to see from where the word novel comes. Okay, आज आपण नॉवेल म्हणजे कादंबरी हा शब्द नक्की कुठून आला हे पाहणार आहोत. See what I wrote on the board. See the word novel. Concentrate towards the spellings of novel. See Novel. Novel derived from Italian word novella. See the spelling and see the difference between these two words. Novel. Novel derived from the Italian word novella. See the spelling Novella. Novella. Novella is an Italian word and the word novel comes from novella. What do you mean by this Italian word novella? See, novella means new. So see, we saw that novel is a new form comes in literature in 18th century. Understand? So it is a new form and that's why that word novel come from Italian word novella. And see what about the word novella? See the word novella. It is derived from Italian word novel. See the spellings. See Novel, the pronunciation is novel, and here also see the spelling Novelle. The pronunciation of this word is also novel. Here it is novella and it is novel. So the word novella derived from the Italian word novel, and the novel means prose fiction. We saw that in 18th century the novels appears in prose fiction in the form of lessons. Understand? First of all, before 18th century the novels were in the poetry form. Understand? And afterwards in 18th century the writers began to write in prose form. Understand? So novel means prose fiction. Understand? See, here we saw three words: novel, novella, and this novel. Understand? This novel comes from the Italian word novella, and this novella, this Italian word, come from this Italian word novel. Understand this much? Now see the Italian word novella. The meaning of that Italian word is new. Understand? Now see Novelle, novel, and here Novel, novel, or that novel is also called as novella. Now see the difference between this novel and this novel. Okay, now see about this novel, Novelle. This is a prose fiction. Novel is a prose fiction written in the lessons form. Understand? It is shorter than full-length novel. See, we saw in our previous video that novel is a long story. Understand? It is long than the usual story. Novel म्हणजेच कादंबरी आणि कादंबरी म्हणजेच काय? It is a long story. It is narrative. Understand? Long story आहे. आणि हे नॉवेल कसं आहे? Shorter than the full length novel. This novel is shorter than this novel. या नॉवेल पेक्षा हे नॉवेल कसं असतं? शॉर्टर आहे, लहान आहे. But it is longer than short story. It is not like a short story and not like a long story like this novel. Understand? So it is the middle one. Not, see, shorter than full length novel and not longer than short story. Understand? So these are the characteristics of NOVELLE. Understand this much? Keep in mind the meanings as well as the spellings of these words: novel, novella, and the novel. Okay? See the next point. Features or characteristics of novella. नॉवेलाचे फीचर्स, वैशिष्ट्य काय आहेत बघा. नॉवेला इज वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड. स्ट्रक्चर त्याची जी रचना, नॉवेलची जी म्हणजे नॉवेल मीन्स, नॉवेला मीन्स नॉवेल. नॉवेलची जी रचना केलेली असते की नॉवेल ओव्हरऑल कसं असावं, तर ते इट इज वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड. त्याची रचना ही व्यवस्थित केलेली असते. शॉर्ट नॅरेटिव्ह. इट इज अ शॉर्ट नॅरेशन by the author. The writer narrated the incident in short. Next one is it is satiric or realistic in tone. How is a novella? It is satiric or realistic in tone. Satirical. उपरोधात्मक असं लिखाण केलेलं असतं. Or it is realistic when we saw that novels means the writers of 18th century began to write ऑन द रिअलिस्टिक मॅटर्स. रिअलिस्टिक वास्तवावर लिखाण त्यांनी केलेलं असतं. पण हे लिखाण काही वेळेला कसं असतं तर सटायरिकल असतं, उपरोधात्मक असतं. फोकस ऑन वन इन्सिडेंट ऑर इशू. मेनली द स्टोरी ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर नॉवेल इज रिलेटेड or it is focused towards one incident or towards one issue. Mainly the story is related to वन इन्सिडेंट. तो त्या नॉवेलमध्ये जी स्टोरी सांगितलेली असते ही स्टोरी कशी असते, अबाउट वन इन्सिडेंट. एका इन्सिडेंटच्या संदर्भात सांगितलेली ती स्टोरी असते. वन और टू मेन कॅरेक्टर्स आर देअर इन नॉवेला. हाऊ मेनी मेन कॅरेक्टर्स, हाऊ मेनी मेजर कॅरेक्टर्स आर देअर. कॅरेक्टर्स मीन्स पात्र. स्टोरीमध्ये किंवा नॉवेलमध्ये पात्र किती असतात, वन और टू मेजर कॅरेक्टर्स. And taken place at single tradition. The story of that novel taken place at single tradition. That particular novel describe the single tradition. Single tradition, tradition परंपरा. एखाद्या परंपरेचं जर वर्णन तर ते एकाच परंपरेचं वर्णन केलेलं असतं. म्हणजे काही वेळेला एखाद्या ठिकाणाचं वर्णन केलेलं असेल तर त्या एकाच ठिकाणाचं वर्णन तुम्हाला ओव्हरऑल पूर्ण नॉवेलमध्ये दिसून येणार आहे. Understand this much? So see, these are the features or the characteristics of novella, and maybe the question will be asked on these characteristics. या characteristics वर तुम्हाला question येऊ शकतो that explain the features or the characteristics of novella. नॉवेलाचे features किंवा characteristics explain करा. So you have to write these six points. Understand this much? Students, now we are turning towards famous novellas in English. See, these are the works by the famous novelists in English. Keep in mind the names of the novels as well as their novelists too. Okay? See, which are the famous novellas in English? The first one is The Heart of Darkness. It is written by Joseph Conrad. The second one is The Turn of the Screw. It is written by Henry James. The third one is Billy Budd. The novelist is Herman Melville. The next one is Death in Venice, written by Thomas Mann. And the next novel is Says the Day. It is by Saul Bellow. And the last one is Pearl by John Steinbeck. These are the names of the novels and their novelists. Keep in mind the list of these famous novellas in English. The question will be asked on any topic which we saw overall all these videos. Understand? So the lesson is so important, and that's why keep in mind all the information which I tell you throughout all the videos. Okay, Now we are turning towards the next point in our next video. Okay, thank you.